Slayer is
I'm gonna
not
end you
covering
up
me
with a
enough to
bullet
get
in
me.
your head. This is gonna end badly for you. How are you not dead already?
Oh my god, leave me alone. My buddy's gonna win. But I'm not much of a wingman considering how much I'm being killed. Let's see what this does. Walter was killed.
You have won.
Do something about it. Do some. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Oh my god, no. Here's somebody lighting up dynamite. I don't like that. Stop with your dynamite antics. Go ahead. I gotta watch all angles here. Ooh, a little bit over his head. Ooh, right on the head. Right on the head. Whoa. What was that? He's coming in. He's coming in. Oh my god! Daddy Girl 67. Is that somebody that was born in 67 playing? That's kind of cool, but like, my god. Why would you do that? That means we only would have been born 37 years apart, though. It's really not as far apart as you think it is. I got my revenge. I'm getting you, buddy. Well, it's that daddy's girl that keeps getting me. I can't even crouch when you do whatever you just did. Oh, Big Daddy's coming. Go ahead, eventual tiger.
A player wants to be part of your...
I put a bullet in your head, bud. Cannon. Another hacker. Slayer's not the only hacker. At least we know that. Slayer doesn't really use his hacking against people, though, it seems like. These other guys are, definitely. We just watched them. They used it against me, so... How'd that go for you? Do it again. You know I can kill you. Relatively easy. Is that who I think it is? No. Who is that? Yeah, I think it is. He's just all the way in Blackwater. He's not where I think he is. Come on. Yeah! Who wants what? What's going on? Yeah, go ahead.
Sweet justice.
I'm just gonna keep voting to kick these guys.
Sweet justice.
Yeah, okay. Sure, buddy. No, he let... What? Hackers again. They're like shooting cannons at me and stuff, and you can't... There are no hand cannons, obviously. This is friggin' 2010 Red Dead Redemption. That's not a thing, man. I don't know. There's a lot of hackers, but sometimes it makes the game less fun, and sometimes it makes it more fun. It just depends on what they're doing, you know. If they're like driving cars around and shooting Gatling guns off of the back of stagecoaches, that makes the game a lot more fun. Because that, oh my god, I hate you. I saw it and I was like, well, I'm already done for. I mean, as soon as I saw the dynamite, I knew there was nothing I could do. Like, you know. Ah! That posse just sucks. Like, disband already. Leave. We don't want you here. Always some group taking over everything, right? Why don't you come kill me yourself? Come on, come here. Yeah, I'll use transport already. Best believe that. Blackwater's not going to like me too much. I'll tell you that. He has my vote to kick. Oh, they withdrew it. Is he still here? He is. Oh my god. So here's what I'm gonna do. I probably should look to see where he is to make sure he doesn't kill me, but it's alright. If they would let me on these crates here. And hop over on this building like I usually do. Hop over here and check it out. See what's up. He's playing it smart. He's playing it smart. Well, the enemy already killed him, so not sure what to make of that. You gonna dynamite me, or what? What's your little cheat trick, huh? What's your parlor trick? Come on. That's your parlor trick. Called it. Called it. Called it. I knew it. Yes, nice. Thank you. I'm gonna kill you.
You have cleared the area of attackers.
Come on, I just need to go a little bit longer and it's mine. Come on. I think Walter and that Grim Reaper guy are fighting each other. And leaving me alone, and hopefully that's the case. That'd be nice. I mean, I've already won, so pretty much. It'd be hard to beat me now. Killer EWR. Playing as John Marston.
You have a hostile player on your land.
Oh, thanks for the notification, because I wasn't paying attention. Come near it. Go ahead. I can see it through the alley.
You successfully defended your claim to this land.
You have a hostile player on your land.
Oh boy! Ooh.
Your land is being attacked.
All right, we can team up against this guy because he's a part of the, you know, the big guy, big corporation. So let's whoop him. I fell. Leave me alone.
Winner.
Oh, it was a three-way kill. It was a three-way kill. No. Oh. I am idiot-proof in Blackwater. As soon as I get my bearings here, I'm idiot-proof in this place. They're the idiots. That's what I'm saying. I need to idiot-proof it. So I'm gonna try at least to make sure that these guys literally cannot come back. I know he's got like auto aim for my head, so I'm not stupid, but I'm gonna do what I can to throw these idiots out of here. Because I'm sure these other guys don't want them here as much as I do, so we'll do what we can. Anyways, had enough of Walter and his Walt antics. I think I'll head on over to the transport marker and put a bullet in my donkey's head.
Look at you, damn parasite. You really ain't up to much, are you? Friend, have you got a death wish?
He's talking to the skull on the transport marker. Look, he's talking to the skull.
I'll kill every last one of you. I don't think I've ever been less intimidated. You look like you're about to fill your pants, friend. Think you're really something, don't you? You couldn't shoot a fart out of your own ass. It's you or me, friend.
Anyways, let's. It's because I have a wired controller. I know there's a lot of people that are against that. I like wired controllers because I don't have to go to the store every 5 seconds and buy batteries.
Somebody
it just
is
gets old.
staking a claim to a territory.
Oh, are you kidding? Why am I in Beecher's? Did I pick Beecher's Hope? It's boarded up, right? You can't even enter it in multiplayer, can you? Yeah, it's boarded up. That sucks. I can't even jump my way in. Man, that's like a whole bit of multiplayer there that they just kind of didn't really leave out, but they didn't let you get to. Well, I guess it is leaving it out, though.
You're as full of wind as a horse with a collar. You look tough, like a chewed up piece of meat. I've dropped 100 fools like you.
Let's go on the hunt. There's one. Ain't much going on from here, huh? My chain's gone. Wonder if I'll get something from putting a bullet in your head. I'm not gonna do it. They're not moving, they're just standing where they are. I guess we gotta go to them now. They're even spawning. What the? That guy changed the time of day, didn't he? God, the hackers, man. I can't believe it. Yeah, I think that guy realized that there was a hacker and he quit. I've got $70, 70 points, whatever you want to call it. Nothing spawning. Oh, here they come. They were waiting for me to get off my horse. Wish they had a hunting mission with bears. That's the one I'd play all day long. Leave me alone. I've got over 3,000 points now. Sorry. I didn't mean to. That's not Walter, is it? No, it's not Walter. I think he left, right? Hey, he left. Or he joined, I mean. Hey, Squid Proof. Oh, where is he? I'll go to wherever he is. Oh, that's where everybody is, huh? Beecher's Hope has a transport marker, so I think I'll go there. And then if everybody just kind of leaves the game or whatever, then I'll head up the tall trees and I'll probably just start hunting bears and stuff. And whatever else I can find. As much as I like harvesting plants, I'm just going to leave those alone for right now. My boys need me. Let's ride.
You know you're gonna die, right?
John, you know you're gonna die, right?
You best shoot me now or this is over!
Ah, bingo.
Wow. My bounty should. Yeah.
Am I supposed to be scared of you?
What just happened?
Look at a bunch of firecrackers.
Oh, this is why I left McFarland's Ranch. I have a memory, like the memory of a gnat. Not gonna lie to you, it's not good. So, kind of forgot we left because we kept getting destroyed by these cheaters. So, that and they team up on everybody. Look at him, he's invincible. Nothing I can do. Why am I here again? I'm not gonna be. Everybody can meet me out in the woods or not at all. I don't care. I'm leaving. We'll pick this up next week, guys.